Hello everyone. Welcome back to today's vlog. Okay, look at the view, very beautiful guys. It's snowing today. I'll be taking you guys along every activities I'll be doing today before I pick the kids up from the school. Okay, so it's cold guys, I need to go in. I just want to come and show you guys this beautiful view here. It's so beautiful. So let's go to the kitchen and start the vlog. Okay, so guys, I have finished cleaning the kitchen, so I went shopping, okay, in Afro shop. So this is the one of the rice that we bought because we really want to have the big one, but they didn't even have the big one. This one is basmati, okay. In Kenya they have the big one, but I prefer this one because this one is really, as in, the rice is very nice. That's why I normally buy this one. I wanted to buy the big one, the big, I think 20 kilo. No, 10 kilo, yeah. I wanted to buy the 10 kilo, but they only have the 5 kilo, okay. I'll be putting it in this container for safety, yeah. So I think I need to do some things in the house before it's time to pick the kids, guys. It's not easy here, to be honest, to have kids, especially if you have 3, 4. The work is not that easy. It's not easy, but I thank God. I thank God. You know, this is one thing being abroad have taught me, you know, to be strong no matter any situation, because nobody is there to help you. You have to do everything by yourself. You and your husband and your children, everything is just on your neck. So you don't even need to wait for anybody to come and help you. So being abroad have taught me how to be strong in any situation. You know, I have to deal with it no matter what. So that is it, guys. So let's go ahead and put it. This rice is very nice. When I say nice, very nice, guys. Okay, and there is another one again. That one they call it a president. That is almost the same, but I think I prefer this one. This one is a little bit softer than the other one. Look at how long the rice is. Very long, very nice. So I'll put it here. Then I'll also put my puree, grease puree, in the container. So yeah. This one here, I'll also put it in the container for safety as well. Okay, I'll be putting it in this container. So this is katofe puree. This is just like a pounded yam, okay? But this one is made from katofe. Sorry, this one is made from potatoes, okay? I'm saying katofe from. I'm just saying it in Dutch, guys. It's not easy here, to be honest. Sometimes you'll be confused. You want to speak. You don't know whether you speak Igbo or you speak German or you speak English. So every time we are just mixing everything together, like seriously. So you guys should have to pardon us. We that are living in Germany, Italy, you guys need to pardon our English because sometimes we normally mix everything together, like seriously. Okay, so this is a potato puree, you know, just like a pandan yam, yeah, but this one is made from potato. It's very nice. Okay, it's very nice. So I think this will not contain it. Okay. Because when I was buying this, my husband told me that, are you sure that this is gonna be enough? But it's not a problem. I will use another small container, then I put the rest. Okay, at least now is a little safe, more than when it's in the bag. So now it's safe. I can safely put it down here without anybody opening it inside the in here. There's another food stuff that I'm going to unbox. Like you guys will benefit from it. Just wait for it, okay? Wait for it. I need to, you know, put all these things in order before the kids come because I have to cook for them now. I have to cook. I think I have to cook a yam porridge. I need to cook yam porridge for them before they arrive. So, my husband ordered this with one of our sister here in Germany, okay? I will open it. I don't want to tell you guys what is inside. Just keep watching, okay? Watching and see what is inside. Yes, So how are you guys preparing the Christmas? How is everything going? Are you guys excited like me? Me, I'm very, very excited, guys. I'm so, so excited in this season. Okay? So, guys, look at the food stuff that is inside here. Wow. Okay. Let's see, guys. This is a lot, guys. This is stockfish. Oh, like seriously, guys, look at it. This is many, like many. Oh my god. Okay, let me use this tray to bring it out. Okay. Look at this stockfish. Wow. Guys, if you need something like this in this Christmas time, just go to my IG, okay? My IG is basically2205, okay? It's in my about page or any of my video. I normally put my IG there. IG handle is always there, so check it out if you need something like this. My husband will be surprised when he sees, because he was telling me about it. I said, okay, let's give it a try. And the lady promised her that we're definitely going to love it, okay? The lady is so trustworthy. We did not even pay her. She just sent it. She said when we confirm, then we can pay her, you know, for you to know what she's doing. She's really mean the business, and she's so good. If you need something like this, just let me know on my IG. I will definitely give you the lady's number. She can send to you everywhere, no matter where you are, okay? So that is it. So the next thing I will be doing now is I will cook porridge yam. Then after I finish porridge yam, I will go and pick them up before I start cooking the soup, because my husband will love to eat swallow today. Like yesterday, he did not eat swallow. Yesterday we are busy doing some shopping, so definitely I'm going to cook delicious soup for him today. Because my kids, they don't normally eat all this. What they eat the swallow, but it's not their favorite. So let's start cooking the yam, guys. so I will dish out the food for everybody. What I'm actually put for one, okay? So they are home now. I will dish out the food so everybody will eat. I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.